Imagine a garden alive with radiant orange, yellow, and golden blooms, each marked with a distinctive dark center that adds depth and charm to your vertical garden. The black-eyed Susan vine on Thunbergia alata is exactly that, a climbing vine celebrated for its cheerful, eye-catching flowers and vigorous growth, perfect for trellises, fences, arbors, and hanging baskets. Across the USA, from sunny California patios to backyard gardens in the Midwest, this vine is a favorite for gardeners seeking vibrant color and easy maintenance. The journey to a thriving black-eyed Susan vine begins with selecting the right variety. Thunbergia alata is available in shades of orange, yellow, cream, and even deep burgundy, often featuring a dark central eye that contrasts beautifully with the petals. Some varieties are more compact, suitable for containers and small spaces, while others are vigorous climbers perfect for covering trellises or fences. Understanding the growth habit and bloom color helps ensure the vine fits your garden vision. Soil preparation is critical for robust growth. Black-eyed Susan vine thrives in well-draining, fertile soil rich in organic matter. A slightly acidic to neutral pH encourages healthy root development. Amending garden soil with compost, aged manure, or organic mulch improves water retention and nutrient content. Mulching around the base helps regulate soil temperature, retain moisture, and suppress weeds, providing optimal conditions for thriving vines. Sunlight is essential for profuse flowering. Thunbergia alata grows best in full sun to partial shade, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. In too much shade, flowering may be sparse, and foliage growth can become leggy. Providing adequate light encourages strong stems, abundant blooms, and the vibrant colors this vine is known for. Watering should be consistent yet balanced. While the black-eyed Susan vine requires regular moisture during establishment and blooming periods, overwatering can lead to root rot. Deep, infrequent watering encourages strong roots, while allowing the topsoil to dry slightly between waterings maintains healthy growth. Fertilization supports bloom production and lush foliage. A balanced, water-soluble fertilizer or organic alternatives such as compost tea applied every 2 weeks during the growing season ensures healthy, vibrant plants. Supporting structures are essential for this climbing vine. Trellises, arbors, fences, or hanging baskets give the black-eyed Susan vine the framework it needs to climb and display its flowers effectively. Training young shoots to climb supports, guides growth, and prevents tangling. Mature vines will naturally twine and cling, creating a vibrant wall of color in your garden. Pruning and deadheading are vital for maintaining plant health and promoting continuous blooms. You remove faded flowers regularly to encourage new flowering cycles. Trim overly long or weak stems to maintain shape, improve airflow, and reduce the risk of fungal disease. Regular maintenance ensures your black-eyed Susan vine remains visually appealing, healthy, and full of cheerful blooms throughout the growing season. Propagation of Thunbergia alata is straightforward, making it ideal for beginner gardeners. Seeds sown directly into the garden or started indoors produce vigorous plants within weeks. Pre-soaking seeds accelerates germination, while careful handling ensures healthy seedlings. Cuttings can also be rooted to produce additional plants for expanding your garden or sharing with friends. The black-eyed Susan vine is highly versatile in landscaping. It can create stunning vertical displays, provide natural privacy screens, or complement container gardens and hanging baskets. Its bright flowers attract pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, enriching your garden's ecosystem. Companion planting with other flowering annuals or perennials enhances visual appeal and supports a dynamic, thriving garden space. In conclusion, growing black-eyed Susan vine, Thunbergia alata, is a rewarding experience that brings vibrant color, charm, and life to any garden. With the right variety, soil, sunlight, watering, support, and maintenance, your vine will flourish, providing season-long blooms and a cheerful focal point. Begin your journey with Thunbergia alata today. Nurture it with care and enjoy the beauty and energy it brings to your outdoor spaces.